God bless you everyone. Today we put in the new engine in the B13. As you guys saw last week, we successfully finished getting our engine prep, and today is the day where the engine is gonna go back into the car. I already grabbed the engine, it's here. I have my engine hoist here. The car is ready to go as well. So let's get this puppy in. Oh boy, you can see my face. I'm crazy sweating right now, but successfully we got the engine in for the first time. You guys can see the motor is on the car. As now nothing is tight, it's a little gap between the engine and the tranny, but putting the bolts, that should help to close that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to get a tranny bolt on and then get the other engine mount, so I should be able just to take back the lift or engine hoist back to the storage unit. But we're doing good, boys, we're doing good. Successfully I got the engine on the car. As you guys can see, it's no engine hoist, it's nothing under the car. The car is actually on the ground and the engine is on it. I only have so far 3 bolts attached on the tranny for now, and I haven't even mounted this engine mount, but I still need to grab some things for the other engine right now, like this engine mount, which is here. I need a bracket, Plus I need to grab the oil feet because most likely by the next video we're gonna start up the car. I don't know if we're gonna start NA or we're gonna start boosted, but let's see what happens. So as now the engine's on the car and I'm super excited. I cannot believe it. This is my first time doing this. The only thing that can stop you to do what you need is only yourself. Doesn't matter who will tell you that you cannot do it. The only thing that can stop you is yourself. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. We have the new baby on the car. So stay tuned for more content. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. God bless you all.